They put up a gate. Freaking sucks. No! No! Why did it do that? Ooh, that hurts. Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to, I guess a vlog, yeah. And it's gonna be random, but I have a surprise for y'all. We're gonna head by and check out the Viper. But first, I'm gonna load up this dirt bike because yesterday I got bored and wanted to see if I could get it to run. I actually did, but it's not running right. So I'm gonna take it to a shop and actually get it worked on, and I'm gonna have a dirt bike again. Yo, is Mark here? Oh, okay. Alright. Dude, do you know of any dirt bike shops around here?
There's motorcycles in that place right there. Like literally.
That glass building right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That place was like right across the street. But Mark's out on lunch. No. Her sit. Cool. Nice. Hello?
Hey, how are you today?
Pretty good. How are you?
Be with you one sec.
Cool. Oh man, that thing looks wicked. I have a dirt bike right there on that trailer. It's a 2006 CRF 250X, and it has not ran right in years, and it really hasn't like ran good. Like I haven't even been able to like keep it running in like 2 years. So it's just been sitting in the garage, and we was wondering if y'all could tear it down and fix it, or if you knew somebody around that did that stuff.
No, that's what we do.
Okay, cool. Cool. All right, cool. Dude, is that thing electric?
Yeah.
That is insane. That thing like caught my eye as soon as I walked in. Are they good?
That's my business partner, Roger. So I mean, yeah, it's fun as shit. I've only ridden it over there in the field.
Met some cool ass dudes at the bike shop, and I still think that Mark is at lunch, but I do want to stop by and see the Viper. Back at Mark's Customs. I'm gonna see if we can get a peek of the Viper. What's up? I just want to see if I get a peek of the Viper, how she's doing. Oh, she looks so terrible. Oh. Guys, look at this. Golly. This is crazy. Can you see the Paxton good? Nice, man. Got the wrap going on. Sick. Dude, that's awesome though. Damn, I can see it sparkling from over here. Holy shit, man. Oh, and I didn't even think about the rims either. Yeah, that's way better. I was just around town, not doing shit, but I guess I'll see y'all later. Well, there's the update on the Viper. So, all right, Hella, scoot over, girl.